Hey Jammers, NinjaCube100 here, and today I'm with...
Create something.
Okay, so today I'm going to do the update because it's been so long and I haven't done an update video yet. So first things first, otters are back. After months of traveling, otters have come back to Jamar. These fascinating animals can't wait to explore all of Jamar's lands and oceans. Pet skunks. Call them cute, call them fun, but don't call them stinky. Adopt your own pet skunk today. I haven't actually seen the newsletter. Well, the Jamar Journal yet. There's no better way to celebrate Lucky Day than in the mystical and beautiful new Lucky Castle. Lucky Clovers. Search for hidden clovers and unlock treasure chests filled with rare prizes in this super green.
You need to go and pick the recycle out. Me? Yeah. Okay.
Adventure that is for all Jammers. We have even heard a rumor that lucky Jammers can win spike collars and wristbands. Okay. In honor of Jamal's otters, visit the Conservation Museum and learn all about life in the world's oceans. March 14 is Pi Day, where the day's digits match the first three digits of pi. 3/14 equals 3.14. Keep your eyes open for special Pi Den items that will be for sale for a few days only. Play Wild. Have you heard the amazing news? Horses have come to Play Wild. These majestic animals can't wait to explore Jamar, hang out in the amazing Pegasus Palace, try on the fantastic Pegasus armor, and race to the finish in Jamar Derby. Pick up Animal Jam Play Wild for your Apple and Android mobile devices for free today. In the wild, rhinos often travel great distances in search of food, water, and new habitats. And just like in the wild, the rhinos of Jamar have decided to spend some time traveling. On March 17th, Jammers will no longer be able to make new rhinos. You will still be able to play as any rhinos that you already have, but you only have 2 weeks to become a rhino before they begin their travels. I'm gonna be a rhino. Just so we can remember them while they travel. Let's do random. Okay, so I am going to be back after decorating this. Okay, so I'm back and now I'm going to do a giveaway that will end next Saturday or Friday. So I'm going to be giving away a rare scary bat wings and a rare warm blanket. So to enter, all you have to do is write your username down in the comments. Write down what you want and say a random number between 1 to 25 because I'm going to use a number generator to generate a random number so it's a complete random answer. Whoever has the number that matches the generator will win either of the things. I only did 2, so it wouldn't be only one person but with 2 people. So don't worry, there'll be more giveaways coming when I get more stuff that I don't need. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.